And welcome back. Now, the Jamaica Tallowers have set the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots 179 to win match number 8 in the Caribbean Premier League, this at Sabina Park. Now, after being sent to bat, the Tallowers posted 178 for 4 from their 20 overs, with Ross Taylor that is leading the way with 51 from 35 balls. Kennard Lewis also chipped in with 49 from just 25 balls. This is the 7th time both teams are meeting each other in the CPL, and the Tallowers hold the advantage in the head-to-head statistics with 4 wins and 2 losses. Now, the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots will be hunting their first win at Sabina Park in CPL history, while the Tallowers will be looking for their 3rd win in as many matches in this year's tournament. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Tallowers survived a late scare to win their 2nd match in a row at Sabina Park on Tuesday and moved to the top of the Caribbean Premier League standings.
Having elected to take first strike, the Stars lost David Warner early in the piece in rather peculiar fashion, as Shane Thomas got the first of his 3 wickets. But following that, Lendl Simmons and Andre Fletcher put on 54 runs for the 2nd wicket to give the Stars some stability. A couple quick wickets then left the Stars at 89 for 4 before former captain Darren Sammy and the current captain Karen Pollard added 36 for the 5th wicket. But the Tallowers closed strongly and ended up dismissing the Stars for 175. Adam Zampa ended with 3 for 27, Thomas 3 for 39, and captain Andre Russell 2 for 48. The Tallowers then started strongly in their chase, with openers Glenn Phillips 58 and Johnson Charles 31, putting on 81 for the opening stand. Once Phillips was dismissed with a score on 100 for 2 off 11.2 overs, the Tallowers seemed well on their way to a comfortable victory. But with Andre McCarthy going for 20 and Russell being dismissed for just 3, the Tallowers had a few nervy moments at the end before Rovman Powell with 43 and Ross Taylor 8 saw them to victory. The Tallowers move to the top of the table with 2 wins from 2, while the Stars remain at the opposite end as they are still winless from their 3 matches. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.